We are pleased to show you the 2024 F-250 Super Duty. Head-to-head fuel efficiency, head-to-head towing, head-to-head torque. Ford F-250 Super Duty. This vehicle has less than 35,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: keyless entry, backup camera, trip computer, compass, outside temperature gauge, 4-piece floor mat set, smart device integration, power rear window sunshade. Take this vehicle for a spin and see why so many shoppers are now proud owners.